Hey everyone, Dr. Holistic here, and if you're watching this, you're probably looking for natural ways to manage ADHD, also known as Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or maybe you know someone who is. Look, I get it, traditional medications aren't for everyone, and that's okay. The great news is that there are tons of scientifically backed natural remedies out there that can make a real difference. We're talking about things like diet tweaks, herbal remedies, lifestyle changes, and even sensory therapies. We're going to dive deep into 9 of these natural approaches, breaking down the science behind them and giving you practical tips to incorporate them into your life. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. So, if you're ready to take control of your ADHD naturally, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based health advice, and let's get started. Alright, let's talk food. You know the saying, you are what you eat? Well, it's especially true when it comes to ADHD. See, your brain needs the right fuel to function at its best, and certain foods can either help or hinder that. First up, omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are crucial for brain health and have been linked to improved focus and reduced hyperactivity in people with ADHD. You can find them in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Next, let's ditch those processed foods. You know, the sugary snacks, fast food, and anything with a laundry list of ingredients you can't pronounce. They can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and increased hyperactivity. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbs. These provide sustained energy, keeping those blood sugar levels stable and your brain happy. For centuries, people have turned to nature for healing. And when it comes to ADHD, there are some powerful herbal allies to consider. These herbs have been used for generations to enhance cognitive function and promote calmness. Ginkgo biloba, for instance, a popular choice for boosting memory and focus. It's believed to improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive performance. Then there's ginseng, known for its energy-boosting and stress-reducing properties. It's thought to improve mental clarity and focus, particularly in those with ADHD. Another herb gaining traction is Bacopa monnieri. This potent herb has been shown to improve memory, attention, and learning, making it a promising natural remedy for ADHD. And finally, we have Rhodiola rosea, an adaptogen that helps the body cope with stress. It's been shown to improve focus, reduce fatigue, and enhance mental performance. Now, if calming those racing thoughts and finding a sense of peace is your goal, nature has you covered there too. Several herbs have shown promise in reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation in individuals with ADHD. Lemon balm, with its gentle calming effects, can ease restlessness and improve sleep quality. It's often used to soothe anxiety and improve mood. Passion flower, another calming herb, has traditionally been used to reduce anxiety and promote sleep. It's believed to increase levels of GABA in the brain, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation. Chamomile, a beloved bedtime tea for a reason, can help ease anxiety and promote relaxation. Its gentle sedative effects can be particularly helpful for those with ADHD who struggle with sleep. And let's not forget ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that helps the body manage stress. It's been shown to reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and even enhance attention in some studies. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating any new herbs or supplements into your routine, especially if you're taking other medications. Alright, let's talk about lifestyle changes, specifically exercise. We all know exercise is good for us, right? But for people with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, it's not just good, it's like a secret weapon. Studies show that regular physical activity can actually improve focus and reduce hyperactivity in both children and adults with ADHD. Think of it this way. Exercise is like hitting the reset button on your brain. It helps to regulate those key neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine that play a huge role in attention and impulse control. Plus, when you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. And who couldn't use a little mood boost, right? So, What kind of exercise are we talking about? Anything that gets your heart rate up and your body moving. Find something you enjoy, whether it's running, swimming, dancing, or even just taking a brisk walk in the park. The key is to make it a regular part of your routine. And hey, if you're not used to exercising regularly, start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Even small amounts of exercise can make a big difference when it comes to managing ADHD symptoms. Now, let's shift gears from the physical to the mental. Mindfulness is another powerful tool that can help you manage ADHD symptoms. It's all about paying attention to the present moment without judgment, and it's been shown to improve focus, reduce stress, and increase emotional regulation. There are tons of ways to practice mindfulness, but one simple technique is mindfulness meditation. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, which it will, just gently guide it back to your breath. It sounds simple, but trust me, it takes practice. Another important aspect of managing ADHD is establishing structure and routine. This can be especially helpful for kids, but it's beneficial for adults too. Having a predictable schedule can reduce anxiety and improve time management skills. Start by creating a daily routine that includes set times for waking up, eating meals, working or studying, exercising, and going to bed. Try to stick to your routine as much as possible, even on weekends, to help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Let's dive into the world of aromatherapy and explore how essential oils can be used to manage ADHD symptoms. Essential oils are basically concentrated plant extracts that contain aromatic compounds. When inhaled, these compounds can stimulate the olfactory system, which is directly connected to the brain, particularly the limbic system, which plays a role in emotions and memory. Certain essential oils, like peppermint, rosemary, and lemon, are known for their stimulating and invigorating properties. They can help improve focus, enhance memory, and increase alertness. Peppermint oil, for example, has been shown to improve cognitive performance and reduce mental fatigue. Another great essential oil for focus is rosemary. It has a fresh, herbaceous scent that can help clear the mind and improve memory recall. Lemon oil, with its bright and citrusy aroma, is known for its uplifting and energizing effects. It can help boost mood and improve concentration. Cedarwood essential oil is another popular choice for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. It has a grounding and calming effect on the mind, which can be helpful for reducing hyperactivity and improving focus. You can diffuse these oils in your home or workspace, add a few drops to a cotton ball and inhale them directly, or even mix them with a carrier oil and apply them topically. Now, while some essential oils are great for boosting focus, others are better suited for promoting calmness and relaxation, which is essential for managing ADHD-related anxiety and sleep issues. Lavender oil is probably the most well-known essential oil for relaxation. Its sweet, floral scent has been shown to reduce anxiety, promote sleep, and even ease symptoms of depression. Another calming option is vetiver essential oil. It has a warm, earthy aroma that's very grounding and can help quiet racing thoughts. Frankincense oil is also known for its calming and centering properties. It has a slightly sweet balsamic scent that can help reduce stress and promote feelings of peace. When using essential oils for relaxation, you can diffuse them in your bedroom to create a calming atmosphere before sleep. You can also add a few drops to a warm bath or mix them with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and use them for a relaxing massage. Remember, essential oils are very potent, so always dilute them in a carrier oil before applying them to your skin. We're going to talk about something super important, especially when it comes to managing ADHD: sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for everyone, but it's especially important for people with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Studies show a strong link between ADHD and sleep problems. People with ADHD often experience difficulties falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. They may also have restless sleep or experience other sleep disorders like insomnia or restless leg syndrome. Not getting enough sleep can worsen ADHD symptoms. When you're sleep deprived, your concentration, focus, and impulse control all take a nosedive. Prioritizing sleep is essential for managing attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed and make your bedroom a sleep-friendly environment. If you still struggle, consult a doctor. Prioritizing sleep is key for overall health and well-being. Thanks for hanging in there. Let's talk about something you might not expect in a video about ADHD gut health. You might be thinking, my gut, what does that have to do with my brain? Well, get this, there's a powerful connection between your gut and your brain, often called the gut-brain axis. It turns out that your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. These bacteria actually play a crucial role in your overall health, influencing everything from your digestion to your immune system. And, you guessed it, your brain function too. When we talk about gut health, we're really talking about maintaining a healthy balance of these bacteria. An imbalance, where there are more harmful bacteria than good, can lead to inflammation. And guess what? Inflammation can impact brain function and has been linked to ADHD symptoms. So, what can we do to support a healthy gut? That's what we're going to dive into in the next section. We'll be exploring the world of probiotics, fermented foods, and even something called an elimination diet. Stay tuned. One of the best ways to support a healthy gut is by introducing beneficial bacteria through probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your digestive system. You can find them in supplement form or naturally in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These fermented foods are not only packed with probiotics, but also contain enzymes that can aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Remember, a happy gut can mean a happier brain, and these foods can contribute to that balance. Another approach to consider is an elimination diet. This involves removing certain foods from your diet that are known to be common triggers for gut inflammation, like gluten, dairy, soy, and processed sugars. After a period of elimination, you reintroduce these foods one by one to see if any trigger a reaction. By identifying and eliminating potential trigger foods, you can help reduce inflammation in the gut and potentially alleviate some ADHD symptoms. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant dietary changes. They can help you create a safe and effective plan. Let's shift gears now and explore the fascinating world of sound therapy. You know how certain sounds can instantly relax you, like the gentle lull of ocean waves or the pitter-patter of rain. Well, sound therapy harnesses the power of sound to influence our brainwaves and promote relaxation, focus, and even sleep. For individuals with ADHD, who often experience sensory overload and difficulty concentrating, sound therapy can be incredibly beneficial. It can help create a calming environment, reducing distractions, and promoting a sense of peace. There are various forms of sound therapy, each with its own unique approach. One popular method is binaural beats, which involve listening to two slightly different frequencies of sound, one in each ear. This difference in frequencies creates a third sound, a low-frequency pulse that can alter brainwave activity, inducing relaxation or focus. Another approach is using nature sounds, classical music, or even specific compositions designed to promote focus and concentration. These sounds can help drown out distracting noises and create a more serene environment conducive to learning and productivity. Now, let's talk about two specific sound therapy methods that have shown promise for ADHD, the Tomatis method and integrated listening systems, ILS. The Tomatis method uses specially treated music, often Mozart or Gregorian chants, to stimulate and retrain the auditory system. This method aims to improve auditory processing, attention, and communication skills. It involves listening to music through headphones equipped with a device that electronically modifies the sound frequencies, creating a unique listening experience. Integrated Listening Systems, ILS, is another personalized sound therapy program that uses a combination of music, nature sounds, and specific frequencies to address sensory, motor, and cognitive challenges. Clients listen to customized playlists through headphones, typically for a set duration each day. Both the Tomatis method and ILS have shown potential in improving focus, attention, and sensory processing in individuals with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand their effectiveness and long-term benefits. If you're considering these therapies, it's crucial to consult with a qualified professional to determine if they're right for you. Okay, now let's talk about sensory therapy for ADHD. It's not just about what's going on in your brain, but also how your body feels. Ever notice how a tight hug can be super calming? That's the idea behind weighted blankets and compression clothing. These can provide a sense of security and grounding, kind of like a constant, gentle hug. For some people with ADHD, this can be incredibly helpful in reducing anxiety and improving focus. Imagine trying to concentrate when you feel like you're buzzing with excess energy. Weighted blankets and compression clothing can help ground that energy, making it easier to relax and focus. Now, it's not a magic cure, but studies have shown it can make a real difference for some individuals with ADHD. We've all seen those fidget spinners, right? Turns out there's actually some science behind them. For people with ADHD, fidgeting isn't just a distraction. It can actually help them focus. It's about getting that extra energy out in a way that doesn't disrupt others. Fidget toys provide that sensory input without being disruptive. And it's not just about fidget toys. Sensory breaks in general can be super helpful. Feeling overwhelmed, step away for a few minutes, do some deep breathing, listen to calming music, or engage in any activity that helps you regulate your sensory input. These breaks can help you reset and come back to the task at hand, feeling refreshed and more focused. Now, let's dive into the world of acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine. I know, it sounds a little out there, but hear me out. Acupuncture has been practiced for thousands of years, and there's growing evidence suggesting it can be helpful for ADHD. The idea is that acupuncture helps to regulate the flow of energy, or qi, in the body. This, in turn, can help to balance brain activity and improve focus. While more research is needed, some studies have shown promising results. For example, one study found that acupuncture helped to improve attention and reduce hyperactivity in children with ADHD. It's definitely an area where more research is needed, but the initial findings are encouraging. Traditional Chinese medicine also uses a variety of herbs to address ADHD symptoms. Herbs like Rehmannia, gastrodaya, and poria mushroom have been used for centuries to enhance cognitive function and promote calmness. Rehmannia is thought to nourish the brain and improve memory, while gastrodaya is believed to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Poria mushroom is often used to improve focus and concentration. Now, it's important to note that these herbs should always be used under the guidance of a qualified TCM practitioner. They can interact with other medications and may not be suitable for everyone. That wraps up our look at natural remedies for ADHD. Remember, these approaches can be powerful tools, but they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're struggling with ADHD, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of treatment for you. They can help you create a personalized plan that addresses your specific needs and circumstances. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. And as always, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health and wellness information. Stay healthy, everyone.